on my feet. Got a fix for everything. I got that good stuff, got that kush, got that fire, got that good love. Won't find another how that's clean. Nirvana on ecstasy and intensity. White knuckles on a technicolor mood ring. I hope you know there's no coming down. Stay faded, get low, best how you felt. I hope you know there's no coming down, coming down. Take a hit now, get your fix now. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. Feeling heavy under my pressure, my pressure. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. You're unsteady under my pressure, my pressure. Love pusher, love pusher. Attention is the currency. Bathe me in your luxury. I want the finer things. Grade A, blue dream, white powder sheets. Take a trip, hun, get some. I'm the square on your tongue. Feel so hard, you go numb. Oh, I hope you know there's no coming down, coming down. Take a hit now, get your fix now. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. Feeling heavy under my pressure, my pressure. 'Cause I'm your love pusher, love pusher. You're unsteady under my pressure, my pressure. Love pusher, love pusher. Love pusher, love pusher. Oh, yeah. Love pusher, 'cause I'm your love pusher. Love pusher.
Just did my first drop off in Montego Bay. Y'all been good to me, honey. Now I'm waiting for the other one that I'm going to drive to Hopewell High to her, and then oh, that's it. That's everybody. Hi. Please. Alright, so on to our second pony sale of the day. I'm going to open our South Fontana. Then we're going to head over to Hopewell. As I said, I'm so excited. I'm be on the trip really good. I'm coming back in December, by the way. I'll come back with the sale in December, because my baby deserve it. I don't know if I say about Portman, I'm very disappointed us. My baby really come up. I'm not telling you no, like, thank you so much, but I'm going to meet up. Wait, I'm going to appropriatalize. Blood cleanse, laragar. Appropriatalize, baby. My body. Oh my God, stop this right now in Jesus' name. This is the end. Stop else. We're in our else. Come let us embrace our breasts.
What you're in there?
Them did me eat her. She see me like try. It's so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for the support. Oh my gosh, my nipple. Just a nipple. Oh my gosh. That's what you meant. Oh yeah, it's we had dinner. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true. I forgot.
I got no issues. It's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion. All my life, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought never leaving our bed. Office till the night ends, baby, we can sleep in. Wait until the morning, kiss you on the cheek. And baby, that's a reflex. Oh, my life, I thought the love was just a lie. A way to feel an unrealistic high. We get our fix, but never satisfied. Give you all of my love and you give it right back. I could fly, I could fall, I know you got my back. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. We laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that. Like that, like that. I like that. How'd you get like that? How'd you get like that?
I have not vlogged in a very long time. Excuse me. Oh, the kick out. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. Man, it is now. It's Wednesday. I'm gonna look for breakfast for the boys. This week I'll be collecting my set up my the setup for my phone to film it at the camera, the microphone. I'm gonna be collecting that this week. I'll be doing Pomi this week as well, delivering, shipping. We'll have some launches that were coming up. Also, I have collaborated with Exclusive Touch for some Lyric After Dark collabs, and I've also teamed up with Bum Bum Clothing. They're all on Instagram, and they are actually is clothing store, and all these collaborations happened because the owner of these companies, she started posting Pomi Fitness during the time. Remember when I had that thing and nobody came to the hill and whatever. Yeah, so during that time when I just had like mommy posting and stuff, she come on basically. So yeah, we've been talking back and forth. Like, she's my nigga. Like, me and her talk like we're friends from a long time, and that's just my personality. But what I've decided is that I'm going to be removing myself from social media and kind of not refocusing or rebranding, but just taking a different approach. You know what I'm saying? Allow God to fight your battles. I have not been doing that wholeheartedly, and I figured that I thought I was. I thought, I was having faith and doing everything, and I legit thought I was. But when I had become so focused, I just lost focus. It should be about God and nobody else, isn't it? It shouldn't be about me hurt and trying to get past this process so it looks good to other people. That should never be the case, isn't it? So with Bum Bum and with Exclusive Touch, them coming to me at the time that they did, it's just all God, and that just showed me that He cares when these things happen to me. And I kind of feel alone or whatever the case may be. Him always just show that He cares, and that's what I love about Him. If God love and Him love it brawling, like Him not care who knows Him love. Oh no, don't fall. Jesus God, you don't have too much butter in.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. I have been actually styling the shit out of my TWA over here, and I decided to just record this aspect of my life and make this like the video for today. Okay, so let me just say I'm working on creating and vlogging every single day in January because I miss it for this month. I miss it for Vlogmas, so I'm gonna do it for January. See? I think I said it in another video, but I didn't say it here because this video is going to go soon. This video is going to go up like soon. So yeah, so I've been linking up with Exclusive Touch and with Bum Bum as well. Bum Bum is a kiddie store that is owned by a Jamaican. So a female Jamaican say no say not for support if any which way me can. And how we started supporting each other was actually her. She actually posted Pomi Fitness, and I was like, yo, big up yourself, mama, just anything you want me to post for you, I will. And we just started talk, and yeah, we just started working with each other, found out that we are similar, we are so alike. And yeah, she's an absolutely amazing person. So yeah, so we're working together. So I'll be coming to Connecticut next year March is what I'm looking at. I'm not looking on the plane ticket then yet, but that's what I want. I want to come over there for March of next year, 2023. And also I have a Pomi fitness plan that will be launching for 2023, and it's going to be called 2020 Me. And it's going to be a workout plan geared towards women who are bigger, geared towards women who want to lose that fupa. That's going to be the focus. You see me? So the workouts are going to be hopefully workouts that you'll be able to manage. Because that's the aim. I don't want it to be difficult. I don't want it to be hard to do. And most importantly, more you can do it at your yard. You know, if you have go to road, you know, if you say, I already buy the Pomi. I don't want to spend so much money on a gym membership, isn't it? So yeah. If you're abroad, the gym memberships are like way cheaper. They're like $10 or so. So they're like way cheaper, isn't it? But I guess those $10 add up. So yeah, so we'll be doing that. Also, when I come to Connecticut, I'll be doing makeup classes. The aim is to get 30 students for those makeup classes. So that's going to be in March. So I'm going to start promoting it from no. We're actually working on a website that, like a LyricRochester website where you can go and they say everything on the website. They say Pomi, they say the classes, they say like my speaking engagements, they say the lashes, the brushes, they say everything. They say everything that is lyric. So that's what I'm aiming to do. Saturday, guys, early 30 plan. For the classes, the price is going to be $675 US. It's a 2-day class. It's a 2-day intense makeup class. But we'll be having a discount. We'll be having it discounted to $495 up until a certain time. Because my thing got most affordable for a good amount of time. So as soon as the flyer comes out, then the discount comes out with the flyer, you see me? So that's what we're doing. Ooh, that's what we're doing. I'm so nervous talking to you guys, that's weird. You like it? I love it. I love it so much, Auntie Georgia. There's my on time. Yes, yes, baby. Look to the right for me. Oh, look over there, sir. All right, look over the other side where Odin is, all the way up to the bed. Yeah, nice. I'm at the post office shipping 2 belts to the US. I genuinely appreciate you guys. I can seal them. So shipping on Promi is free as of now, but we'll be having our belts exclusively on $55 on exclusive touch. That's what the belts will be at. I've been having a lot of issues with the company I'm currently using, and I'm not going to have that fuel my anxiety, so I've opted not to use them. So we're sticking with exclusive touch. Whew, so yeah. Yeah, man.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.